If you have clicked on this video, that means you were in the search for top GRE coaching in Tiruvananthapuram. So here we are, InstituteRank.com has provided you the top list of coaching classes for GRE in Tiruvananthapuram. GRE is the acronym for Graduate Record Examination, which require qualitative reasoning, verbal reasoning, etc. InstituteRank.com has provided us the list of top 10 GRE coaching institutes by ranking them in the consideration of various factors like infrastructure, fee structure, etc. Rank number 1 would be Plutus Academy GRE Coaching in Tiruvananthapuram. Plutus Academy's success and reputation rest on its simplified teaching methodology that promises maximum results with minimum efforts. All the details like contact number, study material, faculty teams, and the ratings, which is 4.8 out of 5, are mentioned. Second in the list of best GRE coaching in Tiruvananthapuram is the Hindu Zone GRE Coaching in Tiruvananthapuram, another institute that is regarded as the power of GRE. It has highly qualified faculty team with a very cooperative nature. All the details are mentioned below, right from contact number to the ratings, which is 4.8 out of 5. Rank number 3 would be Greens Academy GRE Coaching Institute in Tiruvananthapuram. The Greens Academy is famous for the infrastructure and educational environment it promotes in the student, and also the cooperative teaching followed here by the faculty teams. Their contact number and other details are mentioned in this list. Rankings are 4.6 out of 5. Rank number 4 would be IMS Trivandrum GRE Coaching in Tiruvananthapuram. The reputed institute offers 3 types of GRE coaching based on distinct needs, namely individual, group, and online. This coaching is famous for the study material it provides to the students and also for the ratings, which is 4.9 out of 5. Rank number 5th would be Allophonics GRE Coaching Institute in Tiruvananthapuram. Allophonics Education Forum has an excellent record when it comes to high GRE scores. Armed with an excellent infrastructure, a good learning environment, and a dedicated faculty, Career Shapers Education Forums in undeniably one of the best GRE centers in the capital. Their contact details are mentioned in this list, and also the coaching ratings are present here, which is 4.9 out of 5. By keeping all the necessary factors in mind, InstituteRank.com has kept the ranking according to your needs. So I hope all your doubts would be clear regarding the best GRE coaching in Tiruvananthapuram, and if not, you can always comment down in the comment section and we'll reach out to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. See you until next time.